Yo, it's Hublot back with another video. I forgot my headphones today, but I'm in the office and I wanted to hurry up and do this video for you guys. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. I enjoyed my Father's Day today. I hope you guys did as well. So we'll start off real quick going over going over the pairs that we traded this week. We can delete this. So we'll start off with Nas. We definitely had a pretty decent week trading. I'm sorry, all this stuff is from me back testing, but as far as the week is concerned, we traded less volume and made sure that we were only trading A plus setups if we can help it. So that was mainly our focus for the week. As we were trading less of the pairs that we would usually trade to my right here, and we just traded these three pairs here. So we went for Nas, US 30, and Euro USD, which only we executed on Nas and we only executed on Euro USD. So we had a trade on Nas that we did get taken out of. It was a trade that happened early in the morning. I was looking for it to sell here up into this area after it hit this imbalance here, but we did get wicked out. And once we got wicked out, it still was showing, of course, buy structure, as we see, buy structure on a higher time frame. But I did feel like it could definitely come and collect this liquidity here, which it did. So we caught this quick sell for 100 pips. It was definitely a great sell to come to be in. We caught it. We closed out our trades there. And from there, that was all we were able to capitalize on for the week. There was definitely a lot more moves that happened within our session, but I was unable to capitalize on those just due to just being patient and not really going for the first thing I saw and just trying to avoid unnecessary losses. So we did also attempt to execute Euro USD as we were, attempting to just capitalize on it throughout the week. Monday, this is a trade that we were in, that we got taken out of. Definitely wanted to get a sell here after we broke structure there. I was definitely thinking that we could definitely get just a slight pullback and a sell there, but we ended up blasting through. We still ended up getting the sell, which it came and created liquidity here. That was very disappointing. But we were able to oh, I'm sorry, this wasn't even the sell yet. Okay, this was the buy. I apologize about that. So this was the buy we attempted to get into. So once we saw price break above this structure, attempted to buy here, but ended up wicking us out here because we were going for this POI up here to begin the week. And then I was looking for it to kind of go down, but it did the total opposite. It went down first, collected this liquidity here with this wick that it created with this down candle that it made, and then blasted up from there. So when it came to Euro USD, I definitely felt like there was a lot of liquidity it created below, and I definitely felt like we were gonna, possibly get a big sell, especially pushing up into this POI area twice. But we still ended up getting a blast up. Price just did its own thing. We were in this sell for a long time waiting for it to make its move, but it ended up reversing on us. So it was definitely a big disappointment when that happened, just being stopped out twice in a row or when it came to this pair. And then we had a sell that we were looking to kind of sell into this POI area for it to buy up. But then as you can see, as price, came in, you definitely saw that we definitely got a push up into this imbalanced area, which I did want to extend my SL, but we ended up just cutting it and changing the bias on Friday to a buy because I saw that we had a lot of structure here that I felt like could definitely, after this push up, and seeing how price, was reacting in this area and this close above, I did see that we could possibly, do a lot of things when it came to just the shift in price. So I did decide the stop loss was originally up here, but I did decide once it came down to cut this trade, in which we cut it with a 8 pip loss, which it wasn't that much. But we did end the week with it being in a buy. And as price opened up, it kind of took us out that buy. Definitely should have extended our stop loss a little below here just to kind of give a little price for a little space for open. But we just was risking, just a little bit to see if that would play out going from the weekend coming into the new week. But we got stopped out again. So yeah, we got stopped out all week on EU. Didn't capitalize on anything at all. So that was one, two, three, four losses technically on EU, and we got only one win on NAS for the week. Um, and that was basically it. And then this trade we were in on Friday. This was definitely one that I was looking to definitely capitalize on. When the market opened, it kind of came down here with this liquidity area here, which I was definitely banking for, but I didn't put an alert. So I ended up reversing back, which I told myself if it came above here, I would cut it. So I definitely cut that trade. So that's definitely, another loss that I ended up taking on Nas because I had to cut this trade. Not for much, but still a good amount. And it's definitely, again, just disappointing, to just get so much. I've never had my SL hit so much than in these past like couple of weeks. I'm not even gonna lie. It's been like a roller coaster trying to navigate the markets and stuff like that. And definitely hope that, you guys are just paying attention, learning, and continuing to back test, just different things that the market has been doing. Again, if you guys have any questions or concerns, definitely feel free to hit me up in the Discord and or under this video. I'm Hugo, and I'm out.